In this video, I'm going to show you how to associate an addition with a deployed section. To do so, I'll first need to click on Design. Once all of the courses have loaded, I'll need to locate the course that I already deployed the section for. In this case, BQL 200. Now click on the course to open it. And once it's open, I'm going to click on Associate. From here, I can associate a section with a deployed section. So the sections I have available to me are here. If I take a look at all of those, I can see that they are available and I can access any one of those. Now you'll notice that there's a lot in the list. So there's many to choose from. And I've also just deployed this section. So I'm looking at the one that starts on the 30th of March and ends on the 27th of April. So I'm going to select the edition that I want. Now in my case, the edition that I want to associate it with is the most recently published edition, which is right down here at the very bottom. So I'm going to choose that associated edition, and then I'm going to select the section that I want to associate it with. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm connecting those two items. Once I've connected them, I'll click Deploy. And now it has deployed a new section called BQL 210D for winter 2015. So I've essentially connected those two things together. Once those two items are connected, I can also go back and verify that that's the case. So let's go ahead and verify it. So I'm going to click on Admin. And then I'm going to go to Section Maintenance and Edit Existing Section. Then I'm going to choose the term, in this case again, Winter 2015, the department, BQL, the number 200, and the section, you remember it was D. Then click Search. So here are the sections. The section ID is 103. That's not as important, but it may be for other times when using this system. I can see the section name and the course edition. Now if you remember back when we looked at the course edition, this is the one that I chose to associate it with this section. So this is where you're going to see that association, the result of it. Let's go ahead and open this so we can look at additional information here and scroll down. And so now we can see again it was an online 3. The instructor that we designated, whereas no custom default ID for this one, but the instruction, the type, all that information is there. So this allows us to again verify it. Now you'll notice, remember that big long list we saw earlier? This is the same list, only now I can choose from different editions if I want to. So if I wanted to choose one of these older editions in this order, I certainly could. And then I could redeploy it in order to associate it. So let's do that. So we'll show that, but I could choose this one, and then if I wanted to, I could redeploy it and associate it with this section. But actually, I'm going to leave that alone. So that's how you verify that it's done. The other way to verify that it's been completed is to go to the Jump To menu. If I click on Jump To, and then navigate to the right term, I can see BQL 200D. I can click on it. I can verify that it starts on March 30th, and I can verify that the instructor has been set for that. So that's a couple of ways of verifying that the association of an edition with a deployed section occurred correctly.